Welcome to Active Parenting Publishers demo video for our newly launched PowerPoint with embedded video streaming, also known as PPV-S. This tutorial will guide you on techniques for navigating the platform and making the most of your streaming experience with active parenting. Let's get started. You will receive an email containing a username and password to log into our Active Parenting streaming portal. Once on the home page, you can sign in to access the courses and resources available to you. This is your APP streaming dashboard, where all your enrolled courses will be displayed. This is a course page for our first 5 years program. Click the menu icon to display the session list. As you can see, the course is divided into 4 sessions, each covering different parenting topics for the first 5 years of a child's life. To navigate your streaming program, use the toolbar at the bottom. Click on the list icon for a list of slides and videos in each session. Each topic contains embedded videos and animated PowerPoint slides to enhance the learning experience. To start a session from the beginning, click on the play button to navigate each slide within the presentation, including the animations. Use this button to play and pause videos as well. You can also click on the slide with your mouse to advance to the next screen or pause the video. Click the full screen button to show the videos and slides in full screen mode. Click the volume button to adjust the volume. Click the next button to move to advance to a slide. Animations will not play when you click this button. Use the next button at the end of a video to move on to the next screen. When you have completed a session, you can also select the purple completion button at the bottom of the screen. You now know how to navigate our new platform and maximize your active parenting streaming experience. We hope you find this platform easy to use and it enhances your training experience. Remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help. Thank you for choosing Active Parenting Publishers, and we wish you a successful training journey. Thanks for watching.